Today I'm going to be giving you 11 ways that you could use ChatGPT to ace all your interviews. I have 11 pointers, all are my own brainchild. Trust me, I haven't used ChatGPT to write these for you. These are my own pointers, and I'm going to be giving you 2 prompts each, okay? These prompts are very well written, designed for you. You could use these as it is, word by word, to develop on the answers using ChatGPT for each of the pointers that I have for you on the list. So let's start with step number 1 of designing your resume and your cover letter using ChatGPT. Now, this is one thing a lot of us struggle with because there are literally thousands of formats that you could use for writing a resume. Which one is best? You do not know. You do not know which one to choose. So ChatGPT can help you with that. And here are 2 prompts that you could use to design your resume or your cover letter. Prompt number 1, ChatGPT, take a look at my resume and tell me how I can make it look better. Prompt number 2, ChatGPT, read my cover letter and suggest me ways to make it more interesting and strong. And once you've designed your resume and your cover letter, what you could do is you could ask ChatGPT to read it and suggest you ways to improve it. Let's move on to point number 2. Now this one is different. This is unique. You could ask ChatGPT to develop questions for you to ask your interviewer. Yes, this is a brilliant tactic to use in your interviews. An interview is not just a chance of your interviewer asking you questions. It is equally a chance of you asking good questions to your interviewer. You can ask something that is impressive and something that proves that you're really interested in the job and you really deserve it. Something that proves your intelligence by asking smart questions. And here is prompt number 1 that you could use. ChatGPT, give me some nice questions to ask during an interview for a human resources job. Prompt number 2, ChatGPT, help me think of some clever questions to ask the hiring manager for a business development job. I want to show my strategic thinking and match my goals with company's vision. Way number 3 of using ChatGPT for your interviews could be practicing a mock interview with ChatGPT. Herein, ChatGPT can pretend to be your interviewer and ask you smart questions. This will help you in developing on your presentation skills and also polish your answers. Let's start with prompt number 1 that you could use for this. ChatGPT, pretend to interview me for a marketing manager job and give me feedback to improve my answers. Prompt number 2, ChatGPT, do a practice interview with me for a customer service role and tell me how to make my answers better. Fourth way you could use ChatGPT for your interviews is getting feedback on your answers. You could show your answers to ChatGPT and ask for areas of improvement. Prompt number 1, ChatGPT, check my answer to tell me about a time you faced a tough situation at work. Prompt number 2, ChatGPT, review my answer to a technical question to help me give a better answer. Fifth way to use ChatGPT is to create your elevator pitch. In case you're not aware what elevator pitch is, let me introduce you to the concept. Elevator pitch is a very short way of introducing yourself to somebody who's your senior. Imagine yourself to be in a situation where you are in the same elevator as the head of your department or somebody very senior to you, and you've got just a minute to introduce yourself, to say a hello, and to make an everlasting impression so that the other person can remember you. And that is what an elevator pitch is. So it has to be short, precise, and it has to be powerful. And ChatGPT can do wonders with this. Let's find out how. Prompt number 1. ChatGPT helped me prepare a strong elevator pitch for a sales job that quickly highlights my skills and experience. Prompt number 2. ChatGPT helped me prepare an elevator pitch for a product management role that showcases my strategic thinking and customer-focused approach. Way number 6 you could use ChatGPT is to prepare for surprise and tricky questions. Some interviews can actually surprise you, and that has happened with most of us. It has happened with me. Sometimes interviewers can ask you something that you were not prepared for at all. So ChatGPT can help you prepare for that. And this is how you could do it. So using prompt number 1, ChatGPT helped me prepare for surprise questions for a marketing interview and help me practice my answers. Prompt number 1, ChatGPT give me examples of surprise questions for a marketing interview and help me prepare for answers. Prompt number 2, ChatGPT give me some tricky questions for a finance interview to help me prepare for surprises. Point number 7 is ChatGPT can help you prepare for answers to behavioral questions. What are behavioral questions? Behavioral questions are those that need answers using your past experiences. ChatGPT can help you craft stories to show off your skills and your experiences, your achievements. Prompt number 1, ChatGPT help me create a story that showcases how good I am at resolving conflicts. Prompt number 2, ChatGPT help me put together my answer to a question about leading a difficult project. Next is making a follow-up plan. What do I mean by follow-up plan? Follow up and follow through. So you have to ask your interviewer if you've succeeded, if you've been selected, and that is what follow-up means here. So you have to make a follow-up plan. It has to be done in a manner that the other person does not find you too desperate and needy, and at the same time they respect your time and they let you know about their answer as soon as possible. Prompt number 1, ChatGPT help me prepare a personalized follow-up plan after an interview with a software development company. Prompt number 2, ChatGPT give me tips for a persuasive follow-up email after a project management job interview. Point number 9 is very basic. You can use ChatGPT to study about the company, to know more about the company, any update, any new developments, something for which the company was in news recently. Okay, you could use ChatGPT to tailor your answers around this question as to what you know about the company, because it is very important that you are aware of the company that you're interviewing for, because anything during an interview can pop up that has something to do with information about the company. So let's find out how you could do that. Prompt number 1, ChatGPT give me information and recent success stories about XYZ company because I have an interview with them. Prompt number 2, ChatGPT give me information about ABC Corporation's recent growth plans so that I can include this information in my interview answers. Point number 10 is understanding technical concepts. So many jobs are such that involve a lot of technical concepts that are way too complicated and you probably do not understand them well enough. So ChatGPT can help you understand those complex and complicated concepts in easy words and also give you good examples to make your understanding more firm. So let's find out 2 prompts that you can use to do this. Prompt number 1, ChatGPT explain gradient boosting in data science and give me an example of how it is used in machine learning. Prompt number 2, ChatGPT show me how object-oriented programming works with a practical example. One last point on the list, and again a critical one, is staying updated on the industry trends. So, whatever industry you're interviewing for, let's say information technology, IT industry, you need to have some idea as to where the industry is headed. How are the companies performing? What are the names of the giants of this industry? Or what are the prospects? What is the new technology that is introduced in this industry? So ChatGPT can help you find out a lot of information that is extremely relevant to this concept of understanding the industry trends. And if you are well aware of these industry trends, it shows your interest in the job, that you really like what you're doing and you have knowledge, and anybody can ask you anything and you'll be confidently be able to handle it. Being updated on the industry trends showcases your interest in the industry, that you really want to work here and you have knowledge around this industry. Prompt number 1, ChatGPT, tell me about the latest trends in finance for my upcoming finance interview. Prompt number 2, ChatGPT, talk about the newest developments in artificial intelligence related to software development. So that was all in the video today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I personally loved shooting this one for you, and this video is going to help you with your interviews. Make sure you save it with yourself someplace nice so that you can revisit whenever there is an upcoming interview. And I wish you all the luck for all your upcoming interviews. Please let me know in the comments if I could help, if there was anything that I added to your life, any value. I'd love to hear it from you. I'll be back. Thank you very much.